Enlightenment can never be found by seeking, but only seekers ever find it. This is the paradox of seeking. I'm often asked how to resolve this. Two key aspects of seeking will be explored here. First, what do I do if I don't seek? And how do I know when I find it? So what do I do? People often ask me, what do I do to see the truth? I often reply by simply saying, don't worry, just keep doing what you're doing. The mind is limited in its ability to fully comprehend the truth. Many people that I work with have curious and analytical minds, as I once did. And it's important to continue asking questions and seeking answers. However, we must realize that truth cannot be fully grasped by the mind. It must be allowed to emerge within us in a way that goes beyond rational thought. And we must stop seeking. Here's the paradox. We must stop trying, because when we're making a willful effort or trying too hard, we're looking for something specific in our experience. But freedom's not something specific that we can pinpoint, like a thought or a feeling or a memory. It's not tied to a particular location or understanding. The act of searching itself implies looking for something specific, even if we try not to. And this is where the paradox again lies. As long as we're looking for something specific, we cannot see what is general. And freedom exists in a general sense. It's everywhere and all times. The revelation of truth is akin to entering a dark room. Initially, we see nothing, just as our minds may struggle to comprehend the incomprehensible. We cannot force ourselves to understand with the mind alone. It's like waiting for our eyes to adjust to the darkness, gradually acclimatizing until objects begin to emerge. Similarly, the truth we seek may gradually unfold in our experience as we immerse ourselves in the process without relying solely on rational thought. The teachings encourage us to not only continue questioning and searching, but also to relax and consider the possibility that understanding may come from unexpected directions. As the Sufi mystic Bayazid Bastami said, the thing we tell of can never be found by seeking, yet only seekers find it. So let us persevere in our quest for truth, keeping an open mind and considering that revelation may come from unexpected sources. We don't have to believe in anything. We don't have to take someone's word for it. We look for ourselves. It becomes self-evident to some extent that we don't have to engage with that which is always wanting. We see it with wonderment. We're just observing without getting caught up in this pole of wanting. At first, it may not seem impressive, and that's why we don't pay much attention to it. We want something grand, a kind of thunderbolt, but sometimes it's the little, seemingly ordinary things that hold immense significance. When we truly engage with moments on this kind of deeper level, we realize that there are choices, unlike when we're just going on autopilot through our lives. Each moment presents a choice to engage, to resist, or neither. The ultimate question in all of this is, what do you truly want? Many may seek happiness or completeness in a spiritual journey. The truth is that without fully embracing the truth or reality itself, none of these are attained. The pursuit of truth and enlightenment is not just a desire. It's kind of a compelling aspiration or a necessity to rid ourselves of seeking itself. It's a direct attitude driven by the need for truth. It's kind of a cure for this relentless seeking. And as seeking diminishes, complacency can set in and questions may stop being asked. At this point, we need to reflect on whether the fundamental dilemma that fueled our seeking has been resolved, whether enlightenment or awakening has actually been realized. Some may just stop seeking and fall into this kind of peaceful state of non-seeking, but this is really a crucial juncture. It's like the ego's no longer in control, and we can't go back to the old way of egoic seeking. There's a kind of a new energy that's arising, and a clarity and focus that takes us out of our trance. It marks a new beginning, and a different kind of search emerges for what's truly true. However, when we tap into our deeper intelligence, this collective consciousness, and we simply observe. Freedom is always existing and already present, although we might not recognize it as such. It's not some abstract concept. It's something that we can directly experience in our current state. We often hear this, but we don't often pay attention to it. To truly understand and experience freedom or enlightenment, we need to approach it with an open mind, kind of the way a scientist holds a theory as a possibility to be tested. We need to let go of our preconceived ideas and assumptions and be willing to explore the possibility that there is an already existing state of freedom in our current experience. And the only way to confirm this truth is through our direct experience. It is not enough for one person to just say it. That's not reliable evidence. So to truly understand freedom, we need to actively really participate in it. We can't just imagine or think about enlightenment. It's whatever we're seeking, it's just another creation of the mind. In essence, what I'm focusing on right now is how we can begin to participate in this already existing state of freedom and truly integrate it in our lives and dwell in it. It's not about believing or assuming. It's about actively engaging with it and allowing it to shape our experiences and perspectives. The fact that we're witnesses to this 180-degree change in our desires is a clear sign that there was a glimpse or a taste of truth. But somehow every time we feel separate and as a result incomplete, we try to achieve some external goal. We lose trust in this glimpse. As Francis Lucille says, the beauty is that the glimpse of truth will never forget us. We can try to go back to life as it used to be, but it will have lost its interest. It can never be business as usual. If you found this video helpful, please watch the other one here that I've highlighted as it kind of follows up on this. And please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the subscription numbers. I see there that they're going up. Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon.